What's going on, Facebook, man? We are live in the daytime on a Tuesday. I figured it's lunch. Everybody's doing lunch, so I figured I'd do my lunch. See if I can catch some people real quick, man. I just want to throw some things out there, a little bit of motivation for the day. Can we get a little motivation for the day, man? So when you come into the room, you don't have to necessarily drop where you're watching from, but I would appreciate it if you can give me some likes and some loves as you're watching this. I just want to say, man, I know a lot of people go through a lot of things with work, with the people that you deal with at work, bosses, managers, supervisors, whatever they may be. I'm just jumping on to say, man, as you head back into work or as you continue your day today at work, man, don't let anything get to you. Know that it's temporary, that you're going to move on to greater and better things here soon in the future. Know that and use that as your energy, and don't let them take that energy from you, and don't let them put their energy onto you, bleed their negative energy onto you today. So today, basically, man, I just want you to grab it by the horns, take it and wrestle it to the ground and make it yours. So as you fall back into work, I figured I'd take me a break since everybody else is probably taking their break too. So as you fall back into work, man, just remember that you create your own motive. You create your own happiness. So don't let anybody steal your joy today while you kick back at your cubicle, whatever it may be that you're doing. Don't let anyone steal your joy, man. Keep that inner light, because remember, the light does not shine on you. It shines within you. So it's on you to send that light out. What's going on, Sharon? What's going on, Tony? Oh, yeah, definitely, man. I just wanted to drop a few jewels out there for those that are looking at this day as pure hell, man. It is not pure hell. It's something that you're growing through because you're on to something better. When you get off work, man, you can get right back to researching your plan of your escape for you to get out of that treadmill lifestyle and get right back on your grind. So smile all day today at work, knowing that when you get off, you're going to get right back on your grind to push you towards more days off, more days in the shade, having it laid, continuing to get paid, and not worrying about anybody standing in your way. So that's what's going on today, man. I want you guys to stay happy, stay healthy, stay humble. Treat every day like it is, man. A pure blessing. That's what it is, a pure blessing. All right, peace.